All right. So I said diagnosis is your genetic profile. We call
Mhm.
it body typing,
Mhm.
and it manifests psychologically, physiologically, and physically. You could stay there for now.
Okay.
And so I'm going to go with the most objective first, which is physical shape.
Mhm.
And I think you saw the four images,
Mhm.
right? Those are basic shapes. Don't have to
Right.
have them. Some people are actually opposite, so no
Mhm.
one information is 100% accurate. The more I gather that are relevant, then I see a whole picture.
Mhm.
Therefore, it's easier to derive that diagnosis. And you see the red and yellow have larger pelvic bone, and blue and red have smaller pelvic bone.
Mhm.
So let's go there first.
Okay.
Okay. I'm going to get a ruler too to measure and also palpate. Let's turn on the light. Traffic can you come in and help out a bit? Okay.
Good morning.
Hey.
Okay, here we are. So I'm going to measure first. Palpate first and then measure. I'm going to palpate your pelvic bone. I'm going to look at the overall shape first and then I'm palpating side and the middle. Okay. And then your ribs don't flare out. So that's what I'm noting too. The measurement of line 5 is 30.0. Line 4 is 26.5. Line 3 is 26.6. Okay, thank you. Alright. So if Patrick, why don't you palpate too? I'm gonna have his
Mhm.
also doing the same, so I like him to see the pattern too.
Okay, thank you.
Mhm.
Okay, so then the pelvic bone, well, you tell me first. Which shape do you think you have?
Well, it looks like the red.
Red. What about you?
Yellow.
Yep. I see it as yellow. All right. Okay. Good. Thank you. And then, so that's a physical shape. Go ahead, take a seat.
Okay.
Now for physiology. Oh, maybe Dr. Jung, you could be in here, and I think that'll also help. Okay.
We
So
both
then,
learn.
yeah, physiology and also psychology. Let's go with the physiology first. Do you get motion sick easily or do you not?
No.
You could read a book in the moving car?
Yep.
Let's say from here to Las Vegas, Highway 15, it's straight.
Mhm.
How many minutes can you read in the car for when somebody's driving? You're on the front seat or on the passenger seat? Whole way?
Probably the whole way.
Okay,
Mhm.
okay. Alright. And what about caffeine? How sensitive are you to caffeine?
I don't think so. No. I don't
Okay.
think I'm sensitive.
Okay.
Maybe it's because I have 2 cups of coffee a day. I'm used to it now.
Oh, maybe. Alright. I'll give you an example. Because it's genetic, so you can't really get used to it.
Mhm. Okay.
Some people, if they have one serving at 12 p.m., 10 hours later they cannot sleep.
Oh
They're
yeah.
that
Okay.
sensitive.
Sensitive to caffeine.
Yeah,
Yes.
they're
I
that
can't have
sensitive.
it past a certain time in the
Yeah,
day.
other people have it with dinner and still fall asleep. So what is your
Right.
cutoff time?
Probably noon.
Yeah, okay, alright. Okay, any food ingredients you don't do well with? Gluten, you
The
drink a
acid
glass
reflux.
of milk?
So like tomatoes. You know,
Uh-huh.
the acidic things.
Okay, acid reflux with what? Tomatoes?
Mhm.
What?
Spicy food.
Spicy food?
Yeah.
Okay.
Anytime I drink a beverage with a meal, not always, but again, like pizza, things like that.
Chili pepper,
Yep.
pizza.
Mexican food.
Pizza, is it gluten or is it
It's the, well, in
tomato?
some cases it's the tomato. I would say it's the tomato.
Yeah, right. Pizza, not much tomato in there, but definitely a lot of gluten.
If you get it from Chicago, there's pizza with tomato in it.
Okay. Alright. Good point. What about bell pepper?
Yeah, green peppers. Yeah, I guess the reds and the yellows too.
Yeah, bell peppers, right?
It's kind of
Okay, any other food ingredients?
probably that I can't think offhand right
Okay,
now.
when it comes up, let me know.
Mhm.
What about melon?
Like watermelon, yeah, maybe a little bit. If I drink water after watermelon, yeah, I think that comes a little bit.
Okay. And shellfish?
I don't think think I noticed a difference with shellfish. No.
All right. Okay, tomatoes, bell peppers are considered nightshades. Okay, let's do this exercise.
Mhm.
You're definitely yellow or red. You have a big pelvic bone.
Mhm.
Okay, that's for shape. Dr. Jones said you may be red.
Mhm.
Physiologically wise, you might be red. Okay, because you don't get motion sick easily.
Ever.
Right, right. And you are sensitive to caffeine,
Mhm.
which makes you either yellow or red.
Mhm.
And nightshades, again, don't do well with those. Chili pepper tend to be not good with the yellow or red. What does it mean by saying yellow or red? Yellow and red are cold types. Yellow is cold, damp. Red is cold, dry. Green and blue are the hot types. Green is hot, dry. Blue is hot, damp. I know color scheme is opposite because if you're a cool type, warming colors, thinking about it, looking at them is therapeutic. That's why the colors were intentionally done that way, because
Okay.
it has a therapeutic effect,
Mhm.
and besides, colors don't really have much to do with diagnosis. Okay. All right. And then let's do this exercise. So you know what I mean by doing this. Okay. Mint, is that cooling or warming?
Cooling.
Yeah. Cucumber.
Cooling.
Yes. Celery.
Cooling.
Yes. Aloe vera juice.
Will you use it on a sunburn? Possibly. Warming. I don't know.
No,
Juice for
people
drinking?
drink. Yeah,
Oh,
sure.
I haven't had it. I guess. Okay.
No,
Cooling.
same
then?
difference though.
Okay.
Cooling,
Cooling.
yes.
Okay.
Cinnamon,
Warming.
yes.
Mhm.
Ginger,
Warming.
yes. Turmeric,
Warming.
yes. Okay. If you are a warm body type, that's your genetic profile, what do you need for therapy?
Cooling.
Cooling, right? Because nobody's perfect. Within range, some people lean towards warm, some people
Mhm.
lean towards cool. So if you add warm to warm, then they could go out of bounds because nobody's
Sure.
perfect, right?
No balance.
So if you're a cool type, what do you need?
Warming.
Yes. Okay, that would be cinnamon, ginger, and turmeric. All those ingredients that I just mentioned, you know, they're good for inflammation of the gut.
Mhm.
If you're problem focused, you take all of them. Some things are going to work, some things are not going to be working as well.
Mhm.
Okay, even if it's a mismatch, it may work at the superficial level, but it's already creating chaos within.
Mhm.
Chaos within means that your body has harder time now to recover.
Mhm.
And so you want to match up with the right stuff for you.
Right.
Okay, you know that digestive system is the hub of health and it's the first line of health.
Mhm.
Okay, besides, not one thing does one thing. So therefore, even those can treat your thyroid.
Mhm.
All right, we have China's herbal ingredients that are more efficient.
Mhm.
And no, we don't do one or two ingredients. We're way beyond that.
Right.
It's like saying this: I had an oatmeal. I had a meal.
Mhm.
Does that make sense? No, a meal consists of 5 to 7 ingredients. So you gotta put it together in a way that is more comprehensive for you.
Mhm.
Okay. Therefore, you get your whole system involved in treating that thing,
Mhm.
and at the same time, other areas get better too.
Mhm.
All right. I'm saying this stuff because I'm comfortable in diagnosing you as a cool type.
Mhm.
Okay. And because you don't get motion sick easily, it's not random.
Mhm.
It's definitely more towards being a dry type. So you might be the red type. So that's where we're at right now.
Okay.
And next time, if you want to start today, I feel comfortable.
Mhm.
But next time we could talk and start then,
Mhm.
because you'll have some time to think about it and go, oh, okay, that kind of makes sense. And I'll also get you a diet book
Mhm.
where in chapter 3 it talks about the characteristics of your body type. Okay.
Mhm.
But remember though, no one information is 100% accurate.
Right.
Some information is opposite, so you're going to look at it as a whole.
Mhm.
And you're going to go, well, I'm part this, I'm part that, so why don't I treat part this and part that? No, sorry, in application, you have to treat that one, because we're trying to move you towards that
Mhm.
as a whole. And so that's chapter 3. Chapter 2 talks about food for your body type. And perhaps, maybe it might be fun to see how your body works know thyself is kind of fun, and knowing how to apply for you is also fun.
Mhm.
So maybe in the next few days, that might be. You're open for that?
Mhm.
Okay, so let's do that.
Okay.
Okay, good. All right, thank you, Doctor. Can you
Alright.
get the diet book, please?
Oh yeah.
Okay,
Sure.
thank you. All right.